If you live in the 21st century, chances are you've paid for something online, used your phone for banking, transferred money within seconds using an app, or bought some cryptocurrency. That means you've already joined a movement of people transitioning finance to the digital age. This huge industry is called FinTech, and you'd better remember the name, because FinTech is revolutionizing the way we handle our money all across the globe. FinTech stands for financial technology, and as such, it involves a huge variety of products, from mobile banking and cashless payments to cryptocurrency, online investing, crowdfunding platforms, and much more. These days, you'd have to live on Mars to avoid being part of FinTech. The best thing about this industry, though, that this is just the beginning. Changing the way we handle money is the goal of hundreds of companies across the world. Their mission could be anything from making it easier and faster for us to pay for goods and services, to making it possible for people in developing countries to borrow money safely without the need for a bank account. And because at the heart of FinTech is the aim to make people's lives easier, people adopt innovations in the sector remarkably fast. Thanks to the growing interest in FinTech, the investment in the sector has been skyrocketing recently, with $135.7 billion in global investments in 2019. Riding the wave of financial revolution, almost half of consumers exclusively use digital banking services for their financial needs. And 77% of traditional financial institutions plan to increase their focus on innovations to retain their customers. That's huge! That means we'll see a lot more innovations in the way we use money in the upcoming years. But people in first world countries aren't the only ones who benefit from this trend. It's estimated that almost 2 billion people in the world don't have access to a bank account. Fortunately, thanks to the increasingly digital world, all you need for paying or taking out a loan is a smartphone with an internet connection. Some are even envisioning a future where all you need is your finger or the palm of your hand to allow you to conduct transactions. One of the most interesting things about FinTech is how it democratizes finance, making it easier than ever to access financial services wherever you are. Not just between financial institutions and consumers, but also between people themselves within the so-called peer-to-peer services. Peer-to-peer services allow for borrowing and lending money without the need for a bank to be part of the transaction, making it even easier to get access to loans, especially if you live in a financially underserved area. Now, despite all the innovations, or maybe even because of them, like any growing industry, FinTech isn't without its flaws. Thanks to its digital background, privacy and security are big concerns, as well as the relative instability of the startup ecosystem in comparison with traditional institutions. However, these are challenges with which entrepreneurs are more than eager to deal with, given the massive opportunities within the FinTech world. With sustainability at the forefront of our business, at Solmax Group, we offer accredited educational opportunities and giving our members access to emerging FinTech markets. We have created a very unique and innovative business model, offering our independent marketing partners around the globe the opportunity to grow substantial businesses with unlimited earning potential.